In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add narration to your PowerPoint presentation. Adding your voice to a presentation can make it more personal, engaging, and easy to understand, especially if you're sharing it with others who might view it without you there to guide them. Whether you're creating a presentation for work, school, or just for fun, these steps will help you to include your own narration efficiently. First things first, let's dive into the initial steps. You'll want to begin by opening your Microsoft PowerPoint. Once PowerPoint is open, proceed by opening the file you wish to add narration to from the opening screen. This step is pretty straightforward. Just navigate through your files and select the PowerPoint presentation you plan on working with. After you've opened your file, your next step is to navigate to the Insert tab found at the top of your PowerPoint window. This tab will grant you access to a variety of features that can enhance your presentation, including the option to add audio, which is exactly what we're looking for. Upon clicking the Insert tab, look for the audio option. Once you find it, click on Audio to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Among these options, you'll see Record Audio. Click on it to start the process of adding your own voice to the presentation. Before you start recording, it's important to name your recording. This might seem like a minor step, but it's critical for organization, especially if you plan to include multiple narrations across different slides. Simply type in a descriptive name for your recording in the provided field. Now it's time to record your voice. You'll see a simple interface with a red button symbolizing the recording function. Click this red button to start recording your narration. Take a deep breath and speak clearly and at a moderate pace to ensure your audience understands the message you're conveying. Don't worry if you make a mistake. You can always record again to get it just right. Once you are done recording, click OK to save the narration on your slide. Your recorded audio will then appear as an icon on your slide, which you can move and adjust as needed. However, we're not finished just yet. After placing your recorded audio on the slide, right-click on the recording. This action will open a context menu with various options. From this menu, select Style. Here you're given several styling options for how your audio icon will look on your slide, but there's another important feature here for narration. Look for the option that says Play in Background. Selecting this ensures that your narration plays automatically when the slide is displayed during a presentation, and it will continue to play even if you move on to the next slide. This is especially useful for creating a seamless narrative experience throughout your presentation. Finally, after you've completed adding and setting up your narration, it's time to see it all in action. Press F5 to start your presentation from the beginning. Watch and listen as your slides and narration flow together. This is a great time to make any necessary adjustments, whether it's re-recording some narration to make it clearer or adjusting the timing of your slides. Adding narration to your PowerPoint presentation can truly elevate it, providing a more engaging and personalized experience for your audience. Remember to speak clearly, pace your words, and ensure your narration aligns well with the content on your slides. With practice, adding narration will become a quick and easy way to enhance all your future presentations. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to add narration to your PowerPoint presentation. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Don't hesitate to revisit any steps you need more practice with, and remember, the more you experiment with features like these, the more dynamic and engaging your presentations will become. Happy presenting!